in partnership with CommSec.
All right, and a very good morning, Tom Piotrowski. How are you on this Wednesday?
Pete, well, and thanks for the inquiry. I hope you're the same.
Pretty good, pretty good. We're at hump day now. The crest is here, and I'm all here for it. So how are our markets today, Tom?
Well, it's a predictable situation in that there is not much conviction one way or the other. And I say predictable when you consider the trade headlines that are dominating at the moment. They're probably confusing investors to some extent, and that has seen markets essentially not move terribly much one way or the other. We saw modest losses across the board for US indices. The Dow, the most acute, but it was still only down by around 4%. A big pardon, 0.4%. There's a big difference there. The S&P 500 down 0.1%, and the Nasdaq was flat. There were some varying headlines which had different impacts. So, for example, the threat of a substantial tax on copper imports saw copper prices surge by 13% overnight, Pete. So one of the larger copper miners globally, Freeport-McMoran shares were up by around 3%. Pharmaceuticals were quite volatile. Again, the headline there was turning around a steep tariff on pharmaceutical imports, but there'd be a grace period of a year. So the other headline was that the US president indicated that there would be no extensions to the August 1 date of applying the Liberation Day tariffs. There was a grace period which ends today, US time, the 9th, but they won't kick in until August. So as you can guess from all of that, it's a pretty varied landscape, and investors are scratching their heads a little bit trying to make sense of it.
I think that's a good way to put it. It's like that meme of all the different Spider-Men pointing at each other. We're not really sure which way to go at the moment, but I mean, it'll land somewhere. We'll see. Thank you, Tom.